Tired of credit cards that feel more like financial traps than helpful tools? Then stick around because we're diving deep into the Wells Fargo Reflect card, revealing how to unlock its benefits and master your finances. First, the big draw, the 0% introductory APR. You can get an intro 0% APR for 21 months from account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. Make sure you transfer within the first 120 days to qualify. This card also has cell phone protection when you pay your cell phone bill with it. The key to maximizing the Reflect card is making on-time payments. Each on-time payment will grant a reduced APR. Treat this card like a financial Swiss Army knife, not free money. Budget carefully, track your spending using the Wells Fargo app, and avoid impulse purchases. To build credit, use your Reflect card for small, recurring expenses, like your streaming subscription, and pay it off in full each month. This demonstrates responsible credit use and avoids interest charges after the intro APR ends. Remember, the Reflect card is a tool used wisely. It can help you save money, build credit, and achieve your financial goals, but overspending and missed payments can quickly undo all the benefits. So, are you ready to reflect on your spending habits and use the Wells Fargo Reflect card to your advantage? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.